Upgrade your roast meat workshop with this commercial drying cabinet. Many food shops suffer from unstable natural air drying due to changing weather. This machine gives you reliable indoor drying for duck, goose and other roasted raw materials. Powerful circulating fans ensure even airflow. Digital control panel adjusts temperature and humidity accurately. The stainless steel cabinet is durable and grease-proof. Clear glass door lets you monitor drying progress conveniently. Mobile wheels enable flexible layout in back of house as hanging racks hold multiple pieces of poultry, and drip tray collects waste liquids. It lowers food loss, saves your working time and delivers steady, crispy skin results for your commercial food business.